In this Lynx whiteboarding video, we're going to look at games, and specifically within games, we're going to look at the spinner option. When you're here within your Lynx whiteboard dashboard, you'll go here to Games, and within Games, you can add a game and select the spinner option here. The spinner is great for instructional applications as well as probably classroom management. An example I'd like to give you is maybe if you like to call on different students or different tables within your classroom, this might be a great way to do that. So here where it says title, you can name your spinner. So I'm going to call this maybe classroom tables, maybe for transitions to dismiss them. And then here where it says words, you can add and color code as many of you as sections within the spinner as you like. So maybe I will call one, maybe we call them by colors, maybe green table. I can click here and change it to green. And then maybe add another one and say yellow. You can also do numbers. If you number your tables instead, you can also do that. Red, and so on, as you can see, and then click there to select a different color. You can also, like other games, upload your own image that's related to it if you want. If you want to upload a table image, whatever you want to do. And then when you're finished, you click the Save button, and it now appears as a game as classroom tables for you, so that when you select it, it pulls it up and you can get started spinning the wheel. What's great is once you create it, it's saved so that you could reuse this each and every day. So if you created one with your students' names in it, you wouldn't have to do that every time. Once you create it, you would just need to edit them if a student left or if you got a new student to add them. When you click on it, and you can literally spin. It's kind of fun. And it told me yellow, and then as you can see, it took that table away for me. I can spin it again and stop it. And then it selected green table and so on. And you can also, once you have all of them selected, you can also click the restart button to get all of the tables or student names back. This has been a really quick video on how to create spinners within the games application in Lynx Whiteboard. Thank you so much for watching.